Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be implementing financial agents with the help of Phi data. So for this, first of all, you have to do the environment setup. So let me write down all the commands you need. readme.md. So first of all, you have to create an environment with this command. So conda create -n. So give the environment name. Let's say demo. You can specify the Python version. So Python is equal to 3.12. Let's say I want to use 3.12, then -y. So once environment is created, you have to activate it. So conda activate demo. Then you have to install the requirement. So pip install -r requirement.txt. Okay, so these are the command guys you have to execute. So for me, I already have the environment. So for me guys, I already have the environment I created, you can see. So what I will do, I will install all the let's say requirements. So these are the requirement guys you need. So let me install them. So it is already satisfied for me, but again let's install. Done. So yeah, now let's create a file here. I'm going to name it as financial agent, okay, .py. So here let me import some necessary libraries. So from py.agent import agent. Then I need grock model. So from py.model.grock. Okay, so I'm going to import something called import grock. Then I need one tool. So here we'll be using financial, let's say, search operations. So for this we'll be using financial tools. So from py.tools, so inside that we have one tools called yFinance. Okay, so let me import this yFinance tool. Okay, so with the help of that you can do the real-time stock search of operation. Okay, then I need just .env. So .env import load env. So once it is done, let's initialize the load env, and you have to collect the grock API key. Okay, where you will get the grock API key, go to the grock playground and go to the API key section and create a API key, and make sure you add the API key here. Okay, so once this is done, let's initialize my finance agent, finance underscore agents is equal to agents, and inside that let's specify all the parameters. First of all, I'll give the name. So here let's say name is equal to finance agents. Okay, then the next parameter is the description. So here you can give the description. Your task is to find, okay, find the finance, okay, financial information. I can give information. So this is kinds of prompt. Okay, you can specify. Now here you can specify the model you want to use. So again I'm going to use the grock model, and it takes the model ID, and again I'm going to use the same llama 3.7 versatile model. So it is available over the grock. Just go to the playground, and here you can see guys, this llama 3.370 versatile, this model is available. Okay, so you are using this model. Then we'll be specifying the tools. So tools wise, I'm going to use something called yt yfinance tool, and inside that you have to because we are going to access the stock data, so I'll activate this parameter called stock price is equal to true. Okay, then analyst recommendation is equal to true. Then I also need something called company info. Okay, I also need the company information. That's why this parameter will also make it true. Then company news also I'll make it as true. So this yFinance tool has different parameter. You can check the documentation. So they have also mentioned the same thing. Now once it is done, then what I will do, guys, I'll give the instruction is equal to, let's say here I'll tell use the or use tables. Okay, use tables to display the result, display the data. Okay, like that I can mention. Then show tools calls is equal to, make it as true. Then markdown is equal to true. Then debug mode is equal to true. Yes, so now let's call the agent. So financial agents dot print response. Inside that, let's give the prompt. So here I will give summarize analyst. Summary analyst. Okay, analyst recommendation for Nvidia. You can give any, let's say, stock company. Okay, so this will give you the information. So NV done. Okay, so like that you can give in a shortcut name. And again, I want to take a streaming output, so I can make it as stream is equal to true. So it's done. Now let me save. Now let's execute my agents. So Python financial agents, I think. Okay, so let me execute. See, so see guys, it is using this financial search tool, and it is extracting the real-time stock data, and this is the results actually I got. So the current analyst recommendation for Nvidia are the follows. Okay, now here you can give the Google, Amazon, okay, whatever you can give. So this will give you the real-time finance information or stock information. So yes guys, I hope you got it, and this is the like beauty of data. With a very less line of code you can implement these kinds of agents. So yes, this is all about. In the next video we'll try to explore any other type agents. With that, thank you so much, and I will see you next time.